Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut. In today's project, I'm going to share with you two simple, easy DIY that you can make simply in less than 10 minutes, in the door and out the door, creating a DIY pillow cover using all Cricut made products. Using a Cricut machine is not complicated. Cricut is affordable and worth the investment. Cricut Design Space is a free software that is easy to learn. Cricut materials are high quality and designed to cut perfectly with Cricut machines. Hey guys, welcome to the channel Style by Shakira. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see in the title, this is a video that's sponsored by Cricut. I hope that you guys find it inspirational and motivation. Please stay tuned for the video. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for returning. For the first project, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this beautiful spring sign. I wanted something different, so I decided to just DIY it. I bought the board from the dollar store. I already had the paint and everything else on hand, so I think this was maybe like $3 for this sign. For the second project, I'm going to be using the Cricut Infusible ink and two of the pillow cover blanks from Cricut. Absolutely love this idea. Of course, I'll be using my Cricut heat press to secure this product. So just stay tuned for how I created in Design Space. Thank you again to Cricut for sponsoring this project for today. I hope that you guys were inspired and motivated. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.